Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a haul video for you guys, and this is one of my most amazing haul videos because today I shop from the Lenskart app and I have some crazy deals for you, some amazing discounts, and also the trendiest pair of sunglasses that you can also own if you check out the Lenskart website or app from the links mentioned in the description box below. So do not forget to pick your favorites before they run out of stock. And without further ado, let's just get started with today's video. Okay, so beginning with the first pair, I have these gold rimmed sunglasses, and these look so luxurious, and I was super impressed by the build and the frame quality of this pair, because you can see that it has like a really nice metallic sort of a detailing, and you can see on the sides as well. This is so luxurious, and I was shocked when I found this pair, and when it arrived, oh my god, it looks so stunning. I'll quickly try on and show it to you guys. Okay, so moving on to the next pair, I have these stylish cat eye style sunglasses. So these are specially made of wood. You heard it right, they're made of wood, and just look at the quality of this product. Like, it's so luxurious, and I have seen many sunglasses, but personally never came across something that is so regal, and especially this shape. It's actually suitable for a lot of face types as well and face structures. This will actually complement you a lot. So yeah, definitely check out this frame. So let's give a quick try. Okay guys, so now moving on to the next pair, we have these wayfarers, and these are just very regal because these are not one color, they are two-tone sunglasses, and you can see from the front these are like a nice deep red, but on the side the magic happens, and it's like a really nice sort of a wooden marble sort of an effect. And this is actually a really nice neutral pair. So if you're someone who gets confused about what color sunglasses to pick for different outfits, this particular pair would really suit you, because first of all, the style, it's a wayfarer style, and that goes with a lot of face shapes. And the next thing, that this is like a very neutral color tone, and this will also look good on both men and women. So yeah, this is a wayfarer style sunglasses. This is from the Fallon Colby range, and I personally love the quality on this. Just look at the detailing. I mean, so stunning. And at this price point, I was literally sold on these pairs, and such a good quality, and this looks so stylish and chic. Let me try on and show you how this looks. Alright, so now moving on to the funkiest pair of them all. I have pink sunglasses for you guys. You guys heard it right. These are some rounded pink sunnies, and whenever I have any girls over, they always love to try these pairs because they are so unique and so beautiful, and especially the rounded edge detailing is just so amazing. And I also quite appreciate that they are so lightweight, so perfect to carry on your vacations as well, and all for daily wear and traveling. You can also sport these pairs a lot, and just love the design and the sleek detailing of these. Let's just quickly try them and see how they look on my face. Okay, so these were all the sunglasses that I picked up from the Lenskart end of season sale. And if you're like me and do not want to have FOMO, but just quickly go and grab all of these sunglasses because they are on great discounts at the moment. And also you get amazing deals at the Lenskart app or website. So do not forget to check them out. And also I can vouch for the quality and the amazing frames that they have to offer. You have something for your face shape, and they also have an amazing feature wherein you can actually virtually try on any of these sunglasses for your face shape. in a jiffy. And also I really love the fact that they have like some tailor-made spectacles as well. So yeah, go and check out this amazing eyewear sale. This is the end of season sale, and do comment and let me know what are your picks from this sale, and I will be back with more such amazing haul videos for you guys. So take care everyone. Bye.